today topic is function. We have already read the topic of relations. Relation is also the part of a function. Function का ही एक पार्ट था रिलेशंस, जो हम पहले पढ़ चुके हैं. आज हम फंक्शंस के ऊपर डिस्कस करेंगे. मैंने यहाँ आपको 3 डायग्राम दिखाए हैं. फर्स्ट डायग्राम, सेकंड डायग्राम, थर्ड डायग्राम्स. In first diagrams, it is the say that every element of this we say that x and this is say that y. Every element of x have associated with every element of a y. Like this, P associated with A, Q, B, R, C, S, D. And this is the element have not associated with the x element. In the second, it is also checked that E is the element of x have associated with 2 elements of y. It is A and D. And S is also, D has 2 elements associated with P and S. Here is one element left which has no associated with the x. And these are your third diagram. In third diagrams, it is say that P associated A, Q, B, Q, D, R, E. And S is the element of x not associated with the y. So we observe that in first two these diagrams, each element of x have a image in a y, at least one image in a y. Here x के सभी एलिमेंट इधर y के एलिमेंटों से जुड़े हुए हैं, कम से कम एक एलिमेंट से जुड़े हुए होने चाहिए. यही चीज हमने यहाँ नोटिस की, x के सभी एलिमेंट y के कम से कम एक एलिमेंट से जुड़े हुए हैं, लेकिन यहाँ चेक किया p जो है वो यहाँ 2 एलिमेंटों से जुड़ा हुआ है. लेकिन यहां हमने इस थर्ड फिगर के अंदर चेक किया कि S जो एलिमेंट है x के अंदर जो S एलिमेंट है वो इधर y के किसी भी एलिमेंट से जुड़ा हुआ नहीं. These are the main difference of 3 diagram. Now function say that every element of x has at least one pre-image in y. Functions कहता है कि कोई भी फंक्शन हो जो x से y के अंदर है, जहां कम से कम x का एक एलिमेंट y के एलिमेंट से जुड़ा हुआ होना चाहिए. कम से कम एक इमेज तो होनी चाहिए. कोई भी y का एलिमेंट ऐसा न हो जिसकी कोई प्री इमेज नहीं हो. इन दोनों डायग्राम्स के अंदर हमने चेक किया कि x के सभी एलिमेंट इधर जुड़े हुए हैं, y का एक एलिमेंट है जो यहाँ इससे एसोसिएटेड नहीं है. These are the type of a function, but each element x has associated y. But in this type of these, here the element of x has no image in a y. यहाँ s जो है y से जुड़ा हुआ नहीं है. अगर ये s भी y से इधर किसी एलिमेंट से जुड़ जाता तो ये फंक्शन हो जाता. तो then this is not the function and these are two ये दोनों आपके functions हैं. तो then function is x and y are two non-empty set. These are two non-empty set. दोनों के एलिमेंट हो गए. Then x cross y is the subset. Then every element of x has at least one free image in a y. Then we say that it is a function. So next topic is image and pre-image. Now we use the word image, pre-image. These are two words. Now we show that a function mapping x to y. कोई भी फंक्शन है जिसको हम मैपिंग करते हैं x to y. It means we are given a function y is equal to 2x minus 1. It is the mapping of a function. In relation we also relate the function. Relation is y is equal to this, we put the value of x, find the value of a y. then this x and y is by diagram say that x is called the pre-image and y is called the image. y image pre-image इससे previous पहले है तो pre-image, and second we say that y is the range and x is called the domain of function, given function and range of this function. For range of this function we say that when we go a shop and to ask the shopkeepers give a pair of shoes, then he say that what is the range of this pair of shoes. This is the range. Range means this is the last value of this function. After this function no value of like this is the e, has no after this value not associated with this value. So then this is the range of this function. Now next topic is representation of a function. किसी भी फंक्शंस को रिप्रेजेंटेशन करने के मेथड कौन कौन से. फर्स्ट मेथड इज रोस्टर फॉर्म, सेकंड बिल्डर फॉर्म, थर्ड बाय फार्मूला, एरो डायग्राम, ग्राफ. नाउ फर्स्ट इज दैट रोस्टर फॉर्म. In roster forms we have making a function like this. X is the element of function a, b, c. Y is the 1, 2, 3. Then this is a function. Each element of x have a image in y. Then this is the functions and this is called your roster form. Second is say that set builder form. It means builder forms. Now sometimes we write the function like this. Y is equal to 2x, y is equal to 3x. Then x and y are natural number. Is y, x is 2 times equal to y is say that a function in the builder form. And third is by formula like this. By arrow diagram we have discussed these the function firstly by arrow diagrams. And last is graphically we representation of a function on graph. This is the representation of a function on the graph. This is the value of a, b, c, and this is the value of y 1, 2, 3. Then we say that a associated these 2 and 3. This is the representation of a function by graph. These are the representation of a function. Now the type of function. There are many type of functions. A few type of function is first of them real value function. A function x to y. X belong to x, capital X, y belong to capital Y, is say that real value function if it's mapping real number to real number. So then we say that it is the real value functions. Now second say that rational function. A function is said to be rational function if it be written as the form of P upon Q. Then we say that it is the rational function where Q not equal to 0. Third type polynomial function. Next type is the function of a polynomial function. A function, we write the function in the form of the polynomials. Then we write it the polynomial function like this: ax square plus bx plus c. It is a quadratic polynomial, and this is say that is a quadratic polynomial, and this is say that the a function in the degree of 2 these elements of a x and y. Now polynomial function is representation of fx is the function a0xn plus up to so on a1xn minus 1 up to so on, and last is an. This is called the polynomial of a function. Next topic is odd function. When we take in algebraic forms, then we take the odd value is 1, 3, 5, 7 up to so on. but in the functions, if the given function, if we are given a function fx is any function, then we put x equal to minus x. यदि उस फंक्शंस के अंदर यदि हम x की जगह माइनस एक्स पुट करते हैं और वैल्यू जो फंक्शंस की आती है वो नेगेटिव के अंदर चेंज होके आती है, दिस इज कॉल्ड द ओड फंक्शन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, y is equal to 2x any functions fx, then if we put fx minus x, so then we get value minus 2x. Then this is change the sign of this function. Now sign change this function is called a odd function. And in even functions, fx is equal to any function. If we replace this function with negative sign x and the value are same, then it is equal to fx, that is called a even function. So these are some types of these function. It is also remember that in the even and odd function is, first of them in even function, if fx minus f minus x, these are the odd function. यदि फंक्शंस को नेगेटिव के अंदर से माइनस करके हम वैल्यू पुट करते हैं, ये वैल्यू आ जाती है और रिजल्ट जो आएगा दैट इज कॉल्ड ए ओड फंक्शन. एंड इन द fx प्लस माइनस fx फंक्शन इज कॉल्ड ए इवन फंक्शन. fx फंक्शन जो दिया हुआ है उसकी वैल्यू चेंज कर दी जाए, दोनों को ऐड करते हैं, देन इट इज कॉल्ड ए इवन फंक्शन. There are other function of these like identity function, constant function, linear functions, greatest integer function, sigma function. All are the function of these type of a function. Now we discuss the exercise.